Do you love Range Rover? Do you have the Range Rover 2023? Do you want the body kits Coversion tuning kits? What's the important thing for you if you choose the different kind of the body kits for your Range Rover? Welcome to Summer Auto Part. Today's video we are going to introduce you guys our Range Rover SV body kits. So here we have two different kind of opition Range Rover SV body kits. What's the difference between the Vision A and Vision B? Follow my video today and I will introduce the more details. First of all, let me introduce you guys the Vision A body kits for the Range Rover SV. As you can find all the accessories here, that's for the Vision A. What's the best quality we offer for the dealers in the worldwide market. And then you can find these body kits including the front bumper, the bumper grille, which is with the painting, and also we offer the chrome painting grille strip. And on the other hand, we put all the accessories which assembly make it a fully kit. And what's more, for the front protector we have the painting one which is gloss black and also the bronze colors, and you can also choose the gray color, the silver colors, and also the full black editions. On the other hand, you can find the front grille which is full painting one, and we can also offer the black chrome ones, and the strip here which is bronze colors match the side vents. This is bronze with the silver, and this is best sellings. And we do also offer the black chrome on the both sides for the side vents. What's more, we can also offer the clip, the bracket, and the harness. So that's the four body kits we offer for the high quality customers in the market. And this body kits is not cost too much, but some market customers they want to get the cheaper ones, so we have the Vision B. Follow my videos and to check what's the parts included in the Vision B. For the market which is low bargains and people want to the cheaper simple ones, we offer the simple body kits. You can find the one is including front bumper, front grille, the front protect one, and also the full grille sets. So what's the difference between the Vision A and Vision B? You can find on the floor there's not too much bracket, which is reduced from body kits, but it also can be fixed on the cars. And what's more, for the painting, that's very important things, because the painting take a big part of the cost. We can find the detail of the front bumper. The Vision A, we have the primary painting colors, which is as the original Range Rover color, and this is without painting. So when you take it back, you need to paint it in your local market to do the first step of the car painting. For the front bumper accessories, we can also find the painting one and the one without painting. That's also the different parts. This is for black painting, which we use the gloss painting, and this is primer colors. And that's the back side. We have the clip on the back side, but this one is already removed everything, and you need to use that from the original bumpers. So that's different. And what's more, you can find the small accessories, which is reduced. So when you get the quote from market which is cheaper, you need to think about why the price is so cheaper than the Vision A, because all the parts is based on the cost. If you want the cheaper ones, you can choose the quality B as a simple kit to do some upgrade. But if you want the best quality, please keep it in your mind. The Vision A always the best and will not disappoint you. There's always some customers ask me how's the fixment and how's the look after the body kits fixed on the car. So follow my video today and I will show you the Vision A body kits on my Range Rover. So that's the Vision A body kits which is on my car, and we can find that's a black edition which is a chrome color on the front grille, and you can also find this one we use the carbon fiber strip, but the normal ones we use the painting ones. If you want the carbon fiber, we can also offer you customized carbon fiber look. On the bumper grille, we can find this is a black chrome, which is a high-end quality for the front grille. And also for the front bumper lip, this is a bronze color with the gloss black edition protector. On the other side, we can check the bronze side vents. The one on the car we use black chrome with carbon fiber ones, but if you want the bronze colors, that will be matte too. So that's a painting one, and that's the black chrome with the carbon fiber look. So you can check some difference and choose the way you like. So thank you so much for your time watching Some Auto Parts YouTube channel, and check our details for the Range Rover SV body kits. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave your comments on our video channel, and we are looking forward to work with you in 2025. See you next video. Bye bye.